Hey everyone! Welcome back to Free Tech Guide. In today's video, it'll show you how to turn off the vibration on any iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap on Haptics under the Ringtone and Alert section. Here, you'll see 4 options. Always play, play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, and never play. To completely disable vibrations, select the option of never play. That means haptics will not play when iPhone rings or receives an alert. It's a way to completely disable vibrations on your iPhone. Suppose you want to turn off vibration-specific alerts or incoming call. Then follow the next method. Method 2, turning off vibration for specific alerts. Under Sounds and Haptics, make sure Always Play is selected for iPhone haptics. Then follow these steps for each alert type for ringtone. Tap on ringtone. Next, tap on haptics option means vibration, select none to turn off vibration for your ringtone. For message vibration, tap on text tone. Again, tap on haptics option and choose none option to disable vibration for text messages only. For calendar vibration, go to calendar alerts. Tap on the haptics option. Select none to make sure calendar alerts don't vibrate. To turn off vibration for reminder alerts, tap Reminder Alerts. Tap Haptics option and choose none to turn off vibration for reminders. And the last is to turn off vibration for default alert. Tap Default Alert, tap on the haptics option and select none to ensure no vibration plays for any default alerts. And that's it. This way, you've turned off the vibration completely or selected alert types on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Share your feedback and questions in the comment box.